Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an enquiry letter. What is an enquiry letter? A letter of enquiry is a letter written to inquire about something that you want to know. When writing a letter of enquiry, make sure to mention a list of all the details you would want to gather about the product you would like to purchase or the service you would like to avail. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an enquiry letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, just like formal letters in general, write your information. Here, you have to write your full name. And write your title or occupation in an organization. Don't forget to write your company name as well. And write the address of the office or organization. If you write it on behalf of your personally, change the office with your home address. And then, write the date of the letter. Write in the format of month, date, and year. After that, write the information about the recipient. You need to write down the full name. And write the title or occupation in the company or organization. Write the company name. And write the address of the organization. You can then write the subject of the letter. The subject here helps the recipient understand what the letter is about immediately. So, write the subject as an enquiry letter for something. In this example is enquiry letter for laptops. And now, open the letter with salutation like Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write that this is an enquiry letter. And mention what object it is. And if it has a brand, mention it too. Write the reason why you are writing this letter. In this example, the writer's company urgently need 30 laptops. And here, you can tell your situation, including the budget since you want to buy something. So, you need to clearly state the budget in the amount of money like $60,000 for example. You have to mention the specifications of the products you want. Since this is about laptops, the writer then explains the details about the specs. For example, the writer mentioned the Intel, the memory for RAM, the screen size, and so on. Besides the specifications, the writer also requests the one with softwares in it. For examples are Windows 10 and MS Office full package. You have to mention specially so the recipient understands what kind of products you need. And the recipient will check if they have the products you want. In the second paragraph, write that you want to know all details of some alternative products. Since you have limited budget, you can mention models under the specifications you mentioned. And you have to give another alternative when the recipient doesn't have the products you want. For example, you may welcome other brands than what you in the first place have mentioned it. You can also make limitations about the specifications, like the minimum they have to own this specs or something. And in the last paragraph, tell the recipient that you are looking forward to their reply. Ask the recipient to give you all details on the subject you mentioned before. Don't forget to give your contact information. You can give your phone number or email address. And finally, close the letter with "sincerely." Add your signature and write your full name. So, that's how you write an inquiry letter for products step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.